Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss what are vaccines and their types. So let's start. What is vaccine? Vaccines are biologics that provide active adaptive immunity against specific diseases. Vaccines usually contains drug that resembles a microorganism responsible for the disease and are often made from one of the killed or attenuated microorganisms, their toxins, or their surface proteins. Introduced by mouth, by injection or by nasal spray to stimulate the immune system and recognize the foreign agents and destroy them. If you talk about types of vaccines, there are several types of vaccines. Each type is designed to boost our immune system and prevent life-threatening diseases. There are so many types of vaccines. The four main types of vaccines are currently available. These are: first is live attenuated vaccines, second one is inactivated vaccines, third one is it's a category of different vaccines like subunit, recombinant vaccines, polysaccharide vaccines, and conjugate vaccines. These are basically biosynthetic vaccines. So all these subunit, recombinant, polysaccharide, and conjugate vaccines comes under this category. So the fourth one is toxoid vaccines. If you talk about live attenuated vaccine, these vaccines contain a version of living virus that has been weakened so that it does not cause serious disease in people with healthy immune systems. Example: measles, mumps, and rubella vaccine, oral polio vaccine. Basically, oral polio vaccine is used in India but not in other countries. In other countries, they use them as a in the form of injections, but in India, it's been using orally. The third one is influenza vaccine, and fourth one is varicella chickenpox vaccine. Next is inactivated vaccines. These types of vaccines are produced by inactivation of the pathogen by heat or by chemical treatment. This destroys the pathogen's ability to replicate, but it keeps intact. Means the body is not able to replicate, but they can still alive in the pathogen is still alive in the undamaged form, so that the immune system can still recognize it and make particular antibodies against this. Example is hepatitis A, flu, and rabies. The third one is subunit, recombinant, polysaccharide, and conjugate vaccine. As I already told, they are biosynthetic vaccines, so all these are comes under this category. So these are biosynthetic vaccines which contain man-made substance that are very similar to pieces of virus or bacteria. They show very strong immune response which target main part of the germ. Example is hepatitis B vaccine, human papilloma virus vaccine, pneumococcal disease, meningococcal disease, etc. The fourth and last one is the toxoid vaccine. Toxoid vaccines are made from selected toxins that have been sufficiently attenuated and are able to induce a humoral immune response. Example is diphtheria and tetanus. So these are the vaccines and their types. I hope you like the video. Thank you so much.